Hello everybody, what's up? How are you doing? This is Teacher Henrique and here I have another video class for you. Hope you enjoy it. In this class, we are going to go through Unit 10, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we are going to explore the differences between past habits and present habits by reviewing how to use it to and how to use the simple present. Nessa lição, então, pessoal, vamos tratar um pouquinho mais a fundo das diferenças entre hábitos no passado e hábitos no presente. Para isso, nós vamos revisar o uso do verbo used to e do tempo verbal simple present. Ready? So, 3, 2, 1, go! This is a screenshot from your book. And here, in this situation, we have João, Alissa, and their grandfather. And they are talking about Grandpa's childhood. Eles estão falando sobre a infância do avô. Alright? And they're asking and answering questions about it. So, João begins. What did you used to do when you were a kid, Grandpa? O que você costumava fazer quando era criança, vovô? Então, here we need to remember used to, right? This is a question with used to. And then Grandpa says, "Oh, I used to be a very active kid." Então, eu costumava ser uma criança muito ativa. I didn't used to watch TV. Eu não costumava assistir TV. I used to play on the streets with my friends. Eu costumava brincar na rua com os meus amigos. And we used to ride our bikes to school every day. E nós costumávamos andar de bicicleta para a escola todos os dias. So here, Grandpa talks about his childhood. He talks about the way things used to be. Então aqui é o momento em que ele fala sobre como as coisas costumavam ser quando ele era criança. Everything in the past. These are all past habits. São todos hábitos do passado. Alright? Because Grandpa is not a kid anymore, of course. Obviamente porque o vovô não é mais uma criança, não é mesmo? And here he says, nowadays, hoje em dia, kids stay home and play video games all day. They don't play on the streets anymore. Então agora, ele está falando dos hábitos das crianças de hoje e não mais da infância dele. Ele diz que hoje em dia as crianças ficam em casa e jogam videogames o dia todo e elas não brincam nas ruas mais. Alright? And then Alissa has a question. She says, I have a question, Grandpa. Did you used to be a good student? Like, você costumava ser um bom aluno? And then he answers, yes, I did. I used to get very good grades, especially in history. Então ele diz, sim, eu costumava tirar notas boas, né, muito boas, especialmente em história. No wonder you're a great storyteller, João says. Então não é de se admirar que você seja um grande contador de histórias. So this is it. One thing that we need to take into consideration is this part of the dialogue. Here we can differentiate very well what is a habit from the past and what is a habit from the present. Okay? First, Grandpa talks about habits from his childhood, from his past, and after he talks about present habits from different kids in general. Now let's look into these habits more deeply. Okay? We express habits in the past or past habits by using used to. Ok? Então, used to a gente vai sempre empregar para falar de hábitos no passado. For example, quando lá o grandpa diz: eu costumava ser uma criança muito ativa. The sentence is: I used to be a very active kid. As we have here, I used to be a very active kid. Quando ele diz: eu não costumava ver TV. I didn't use to watch TV. We have didn't here because it's a negative sentence. Nós costumávamos brincar nas ruas. We used to play on the streets. Right? But when we want to talk about habits in the present, habits that we have now, we need to use simple present. Okay? This verb tense you already know. Vocês já conhecem o simple present, que é o tempo verbal para a gente falar sobre hábitos no presente, obviamente. Então, ele diz, por exemplo, no texto, que hoje em dia as crianças ficam em casa e jogam videogames o dia todo. E essa frase é isso aqui, ó. Nowadays, kids stay home and play video games all day long. E ele diz também que elas não brincam nas ruas mais. They don't play on the streets anymore. Don't play because it's a negative sentence. Alright? Now let's compare some past habits and some present habits. For example, I used to play soccer when I was younger. My brother used to help me with math. My kids didn't used to eat vegetables in the past. Your cat didn't used to like me some months ago. All these situations don't happen anymore. Elas não acontecem mais. Because they are in the past. Okay? Used to. Look. Used to means costumava. This is past. Now let's take a look at some present habits, okay, with the simple present. I sometimes go to the gym after work. Anna always plays volleyball on Sunday mornings. We don't cook dinner at home. Mike doesn't work on Mondays. These activities happen nowadays. Okay? Elas ocorrem atualmente, porque o verbo está empregado neste tempo verbal aqui, que serve para a gente falar de hábitos. Good? So do not confuse used to and simple present. We use both for habits, but used to for past habits and simple present for present habits. Got it? Really, really nice. Teacher, como que essas estruturas vão aparecer num texto, na fala cotidiana, né? nos materiais que a gente vê por aí? Here we have an example, right? This text has the title, When I was a teenager and didn't have a computer. Quando eu era um adolescente e não tinha um computador. Basicamente, alguns adultos, né, foram questionados como eles faziam para estudar, né? Porque eles não tinham acesso a computador na época e queriam saber como eles faziam as pesquisas deles, por exemplo, right? Então, here we asked two adults what they used to do when they were teenagers and didn't have easy access to a PC or an internet connection. Okay? And then Gustavo, who is 38 years old, he says, well, when I needed to write an essay for a specific topic for school, I used to go to the school library and look for information about it in one of the huge encyclopedias that they had there. Então, ele costumava ir para a biblioteca da escola e procurar a informação do que ele precisasse numa daquelas enciclopédias enormes que eles tinham lá. Okay? This is completely in the past. When I needed, quando eu precisava, I used it to go to the school library. Eu costumava ir para a biblioteca da escola. Encyclopedias they had there. Enciclopédias que eles tinham lá. Okay? E aí ele descreve, né, toda essa ação e o que isso significa para ele. Take a look at this text on the book. It's part of your book, so it's important for you to practice reading and noticing the structures. Got it? So now, guys, let's think a little bit, okay? Put your brains to work. We have 4 questions. 2 are in the present and 2 are in the past. How can you answer these questions? Practice answering these questions to yourselves. Okay? Pratiquem responder para vocês mesmos. Right? Here, look. Do you study physics? Did you used to study physics 4 years ago? Which one is the present? Which one is the past? Do you use your cell phone every day? Did you used to use your cell phone last year? Which one is the present question? Which one is the past question? E especificamente, nessas duas últimas, qual é o valor desse verbo use que aparece nas duas, né? Vamos pensar um pouquinho. Pratiquem, porque assim vocês vão ganhando fluência aos poucos com o uso dessa estrutura. Right? Deal? Agreed? Very good. So this is the end of the class. Hope you have enjoyed. Hope you have differentiated simple present and used to for habits. Now you've got to do your homework. Remember to do all the exercises from the book that I've asked, including the listening part. Don't forget about it. Alright? See you soon, guys.